Every time I lay my head at night, I pray to God watch over me, cause I ain't living right. Reminiscing how I told you that I've been hurt before.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to basically replace the headlight bulb for a 2009 Toyota Camry. As you can see right here, this is the one that we're going to be replacing, because this one is basically out. This is the high beam. We're not going to mess with that. We're not going to mess with the turn signal. We're not going to mess with nothing with that. We're going to be messing with this one right here. So how to basically get it out, it's easy and simple. It's right here. You just twist it. Let me show you guys. You just twist it, and it's easy. You just twist going that way, which is twist it this way, and then come out. Now here you got to take out this whole harness right here, and it's easy. All you need is a flat head, and you just push it this way and push up. So basically, look at it. I want to get a good closer look. Basically, when it's in this way, as you can see, this clip right here, I use the flathead to like pry it that way. So when I do that, it's easy to release. And when you replace it, you just basically, and it just click back in easy. Release, use the flathead, and just pull it up. Hold on, guys. Yeah, lose the flathead and just pull it up. Easy and simple. You take it to the auto store, get a replacement. They give you a new one, and you just basically click it back in. To return it, you basically just put it in just like this, just like so. Just make sure you line it up real good. You know, it takes, just make sure you get it lined up straight. I'm trying to line it up properly. You know, you don't have that much good of a space really. I don't know if the camera could see it. As you can see right there, got it lined up, and you just twist it back in, because you know you unlock it. Hopefully you guys can see. To unlock, you just twist it this way. Yeah, so you just make sure you lined it up properly to lock it back in, just like so, and just twist it this way. Boom, lock, and boom this way to open, to take it out. So once again, it's easier to just use a flathead, pry it this way, and just pull it up, and it should release. It'll give you a little hard time. Sometimes depends how it is, how long you haven't been removing it. But you basically pry this clip and just pull it up. That's how you get it out. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this demonstration really helps. As I said, it's a 2009 Toyota Camry. Replace this bulb right here. It's gonna look just like this. (2009) Toyota Camry, just like this. This is the headlights that's bad. And if you're smart, I'll replace the both of them instead of one, because you don't want to replace this one and it'd be obvious you replace a new one and the other one go bad. Alright guys, so basically we got the Silver Star, the wider light. As you can see, it says, show you the example of the color. Is white, it's not yellow, more down road and more clarity. In the back it show you have different types: the basic, the extra vision, Silver Star Ultra, which is one of the best one, but you know it's going to be more money. So we end up getting the Silver Star, the brighter download plus wider light, instead of being yellow. Of course, down road, you get more light down road and more clarity, so it's not going to be yellow. So as we go and install it, guys, I had already took it off. Let me show you guys. So basically just easy clipped in, easy and simple. You just clip it in, bam, just like that. and you know you don't have that much space to work with, but it's easy. Twist in, boom, you're done. Now go and turn on the lights. Go turn it on and let's see the difference. See the difference between this one. We still have the yellow one installed. We're gonna replace the both of them because you can't really, hopefully, yeah, you probably could tell the difference really at night instead of the daytime. See, this one actually works as well, but we're going to replace the both of them in case that when we use this one it the other one don't go out. But we're going to replace this one as well. As I said, you just twist it. Have to use a flathead to take out. Use a flathead to take that out. Take out the clip. Here you go. Yeah, let me get the flathead. All right, so as you can see right there, take the flathead and just pull up. There we go. And we're gonna replace it with this one. Easy and simple, brand new. Clip in, easy install, just like so. Boom. Hold on. Trying to get it in properly. Have limited of space, so there we go. And you twist it just like so. So basically it's just like this. You push it in just like this and you twist and it'll locked in. Boom. That's how you replace it. You could go and turn it on. Go ahead and turn it on to show. You know, you're not gonna really see the best of the best. Here we go. There we go, guys. And that's how you replace the front headlights. 2009 Camry. Easy, simple, no big of a deal. And that's how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.